Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. Today, we're not only learning English, we're also having a good laugh while doing it.
That's right. And honestly, I've been waiting for this episode because we're talking about our day using the present perfect tense.
Yes, and the funny thing is, you've already used it. I've been waiting. That's the present perfect right there.
See? It's so natural. By the way, for the listeners who are new here, my name is David.
And I'm Mark. Together, we're here to show you that grammar can actually be fun.
Exactly. For our listeners, don't worry, the present perfect is not scary. Think of it like your daily status update tense.
Yes, it connects the past with the present. For example, I've had breakfast, so I'm not hungry now. Past action, present result.
Or I've pressed record, so now we're officially podcasting.
And I've already regretted sitting next to you because I know you're going to make silly jokes.
Hey, don't complain, Mark. You've already smiled 3 times. That's proof this works.
Fair enough, David. Okay, before we dive in, let's remind our listeners of the structure.
Present perfect equals have or has plus past participle. Examples: I have eaten. He has finished. They have started.
Perfect. Now let's test it in real life. Let's talk about our morning. So, David, what have you done today so far?
Let me think. I've woken up, I've brushed my teeth, I've drunk 2 cups of coffee, and I've danced to my living room.
Hold on, you've danced in your living room?
Yes, I just heard a great song and I couldn't stop myself.
Okay, fair. I can't judge you because I've sung in the shower today.
Poor neighbors, Mark.
Hey, it was a live concert, at least in my imagination. Anyway, see how natural this is? We're just telling stories about our morning, but we're using the present perfect all the time.
Exactly. And listeners, you can do the same. Ask yourself, what have I done today? It's a simple way to practice.
And if you want to add more drama, use words like already, just, yet. For example, I've already checked my phone. I've just made tea. I haven't had breakfast yet.
Nice examples. Actually, I've already checked my messages 3 times today.
Only 3? I thought you checked them every 5 minutes.
Very funny.
So, David, it's almost lunchtime. Have you eaten yet?
No, I haven't eaten lunch yet. I'm actually getting hungry now.
That's a classic example. I haven't eaten yet. Past action, not done, but still important now.
Exactly. But I have already made plans for lunch.
Oh, really? What are you going to eat?
I've decided to try a new burger place near my apartment. I've heard good things about it.
Nice. I've just had a sandwich before we started recording, so I'm not hungry right now.
Wait, you've already eaten and you didn't bring me anything?
Sorry, Mark eats alone.
Unbelievable. You've betrayed our friendship.
Relax, I've saved you some chips.
Okay, forgiveness granted. See, listeners, we've used already and yet naturally in conversation.
So, apart from lunch, what have you done this afternoon?
Well, I've checked my emails, I've cleaned my desk, and I've made a to-do list.
Impressive. I've only scrolled on my phone.
Come on, Mark. Have you done anything useful today?
Yes, I've prepared notes for this podcast. That's useful.
Okay, that's fair. And I've prepared my jokes. That's even more useful.
I'm not so sure about that. Anyway, listeners, notice how many regular and irregular verbs we've used. I've cleaned, I've made, I've done.
Yes, and here's a good tip. Regular verbs end in ed, like cleaned, checked, but irregular verbs are different, like made, done, eaten.
Let's also talk about things we haven't done yet. For example, I haven't called my mom today.
Good reminder. I haven't watered my plants. They're probably thirsty.
And I haven't replied to my friend's message. Sorry, James, if you're listening.
I haven't finished my book either. I've been reading the same chapter for 3 days.
So many unfinished tasks, but that's real life.
Yes, and the present perfect is perfect for this. It shows what we've done and what we haven't done yet.
So, David, what about the evening? Have you made any plans for tonight?
Yes, I've already planned to watch a new movie. I've been waiting for it all week.
Nice. I haven't chosen a movie yet, but I've thought about ordering pizza.
Typical Mark, you've never missed a chance to eat pizza.
True. Pizza has been my best friend since childhood.
Okay, but have you ever tried pineapple on pizza?
Ah, the big question. Yes, I've tried it, and honestly, I've liked it.
Same here. So, listeners, notice we're now using have you ever to talk about life experiences.
So, the weekend is coming. Have you made any special plans?
Yes, I've already decided to go hiking on Saturday. Fresh air, exercise, nature, it's going to be great.
That sounds good. I haven't planned anything yet. Maybe I'll just sleep.
Classic Mark. You've always chosen sleep over adventure.
Guilty as charged. But I've also promised a friend to help him move some furniture, so I can't escape completely.
That's hard work. You've signed up for trouble, my friend.
Yeah, but I've already prepared excuses just in case.
Unbelievable. See, listeners, we're still using the present perfect naturally. Words like already, yet, ever, never, they're all over our conversation.
Let's be honest. Sometimes at the end of the day, I look back and think, what have I actually done today?
Same here. Sometimes I feel productive, like I've finished my tasks, I've exercised, I've cooked, and sometimes I've only watched YouTube all day.
I've been there. I've done that many times.
But you know what? Even if you've just learned one new English word today, you've done something useful.
Exactly. And our listeners have already done something useful. They've listened to us and practiced grammar.
Yes, they've improved their English without even opening a textbook.
All right, David, it's time for my favorite part. Have you ever questions? Ready?
Bring it on, Mark. I've been waiting for this.
Okay. Have you ever fallen asleep in class?
I've fallen asleep in class many times, and once I've even started snoring.
Oh no. I've never snored in class, but I've definitely fallen asleep too. Teachers, if you're listening, sorry.
All right, my turn, Mark. Have you ever forgotten someone's birthday?
Yes, I've forgotten many times. I've had to send very late messages like, "Happy birthday," yesterday.
Classic. Okay, next one. Have you ever cooked something and completely ruined it?
Yes, I've burned pasta before. How is that even possible? It's pasta.
Wow, Mark. I've burned rice, so you're not alone.
See, listeners? These have you ever questions are perfect for practice. They're fun and they help you share life experiences.
So let's go bigger. Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to Italy. I've eaten real Italian pizza and it was amazing.
I've never been to Italy, but I've been to Spain. I've watched a football match there. It was incredible.
Nice. And listeners, notice we used been to for experiences. It means you went and came back.
Exactly. If you say he has gone to Italy, it means he's still there. If you say he has been to Italy, it means he went and returned.
Good tip. And here's another one. You can use never for things you haven't done. For example, I've never tried sushi.
Really? I've tried it many times. You should give it a chance.
Maybe, but I've never liked raw fish.
Fair enough.
Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. Think about your day. What have you done today?
Have you studied English? Have you drunk water? Have you talked to a friend?
Write your answers down, or even better, say them out loud. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
And here's a fun challenge. Ask your friend 3 have you ever questions today. You'll be surprised how much you can practice with it just a few sentences.
All right, David, we've had a full conversation today. Morning, afternoon, evening, plans, and even life experiences.
Yes, we've used already, yet, just, ever, never. We've made jokes, we've confessed our mistakes, and we've practiced a lot of English.
So listeners, you've done something great today. You've practiced for 40 minutes with us.
That's right. You've improved your English, and hopefully you've had some fun along the way.
Thank you for listening, everyone. We've enjoyed this time, and we can't wait to be back with another episode.
Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, English is your friend.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.